Hello my beauties, I hope you guys are having a blessed day, and I am here with another video and super excited to be here again with you guys. And thank you so much for the new subscribers that have subscribed to this channel. I will be speaking to you guys about my first time ordering from Shein. Because I have been wanting to order from this website for a long time. I know this is like super long overdue, and here especially on YouTube, so many YouTubers have ordered from this website, but you know what, I was really not following trends. Usually when I needed something, I just didn't have the time to wait for it to come. Like I just had to find a store like ASAP and that's it. But this time I planned ahead and I was like, okay, I need some outfits for my trips that are coming up, which is Chiapas and Oaxaca, Mexico. And I just wanted to get something with like those vibes, you know, kind of like flowery, and like you guys will kind of see what I got. Let's get started. Already out of the bags. I just got them out of the bags for the Spanish video, which will also be going up. This romper right here, like you guys can see, it is not really short, but one of the big reasons that I got it, apart that I love rompers, in the comments a lot of people were saying this was definitely their piece of clothing, like it was their go-to romper. This is so cute because it has this detail right here where you close it by the boobs, and this is, yeah, this is good length, and you can see like a little bit of your stomach. You guys can see it's see-through a little bit. I'm hoping I'm not gonna have too much of a problem. I hope I'm just gonna have to wear some like booty shorts or something. It feels like very like just comfy, and I have not even wore it. This one right here, guys, it's also very pretty, and it has a few things that I like. Just letting you guys know, I am not a fan of stripes, but since they're vertical, I'm fine. It's just the horizontal stripes, I just don't feel they go well with me, and I don't like them. But this one I like the color, because I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like gray and yellow. And then I love these buttons right here, and I love this right here. I just love showing my shoulders. The only problems that I see when traveling with this, well, actually two problems. It's that it gets wrinkled real fast, and also it's pretty see-through, guys. So I don't know, I really hope, like I have light in front of me and I could see like that might be a problem. Oaxaca, which are in the south part of Mexico, they well, usually all Mexico, they tend to have a lot of colors, like, you know, in their culture, and you know, just whatever they sell, it's just very colorful, and this reminded me of that. I like the material. I feel like this material is nice. I feel like it just falls good on you and it makes you look fine, you know, it doesn't make you look square or anything, so I like that. And talking about square, this one, it's a little bit different, like the material. I love the colors. So right now I think white and blue are like my thing, and but I love this. Look at this, the details are super cute. This one with some white shorts or white pants, this is super cute. But I'm gonna have to see how it goes with my body. I just hope it doesn't look too squarish, like too structured, you know. And the next one that I am super like about, and that I was super excited, was this one as well. I was excited about everything, guys. Who's not excited to receive clothes in the mail? Anyways, I keep on looking up there because I'm looking at the clothes that I'm showing you. But this one, look at this. This is so cute. I just love clothing that has like unique stuff, so like a unique bag, or like the sleeves, or like, you know, the neckline or something, whatever. But I just want it to be like different. So this is really nice. You could wear a little white tank top under it. Last but not least, I was super excited to receive this dress because I've been wanting to buy something that has like mesh and that has like flowers, like, you know, this detail. So I got this black one just because I feel it's like I could use this for like a party or something a little bit more formal. There was like a fun color. I don't know if it was white or red, or I don't know what it was, but I was like, I don't know, like, oh, I think it was like blue. And I also like this right here. the waist detail, I just feel it's just gonna hug my body, you know, and like where it's supposed to. That's pretty much it. I bought 6 items and I will be leaving the links down below if you like any of these stuff. And honestly, so far I feel, just by looking at this clothes, I feel the material's good. I don't feel like I'll look bad in any of this, I hope. But like, we'll see when I try things out. But yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I feel that the process with them was pretty cool. Like, I received my stuff within a week. It didn't take too long. That was another of my fears, to order from this website, for the stuff to take way too long, but not at all. It just took like literally a week. So another of the things that I did was I read the comments and everything, and some of them didn't have comments and I don't see anything wrong with them, but others like that I didn't buy did have bad comments. So I will see pictures and I'm like, okay, never mind. It doesn't look like how the model is modeling it, you know. So I'm like, okay, good. So, you know, I try to always do the stuff just because I really don't want to get disappointed, and I think that that's what helped my first experience to be a smooth one. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to leave me a comment below, share, and don't forget to give me a like. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.